friends, welcome back to Kumari Pallavi 19. I am Kumari Pallavi. Today I have brought a video on the hair oil that I use, and these hair oils I have been in use since a longer time, and I thought of sharing this with you. There are not much different or a much variety in these hair oils, but the usual hair oils that I use, I would like to share with you. And one thing is important, that these all hair oils are pure extract from the uh, respective species, like it includes olive oil, castor oil, then coconut oil, etc. And hope you like the video. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and so that you can get notified about all my upcoming videos at first only. And also, if you have not seen my earlier videos, you can go through the links, or you can watch that videos by clicking on the channel name Kumari Pallavi 19. And I use hair oils that are very pure. I don't go for chemical treatment of my hair, and I like natural hair, black hair. And so for that I used to put hair oils on my hair at a regular basis. So you can say that after every 2 to 3 days I used to put hair oils. And if I put hair oils, I feel very stress relief, I feel very good. Otherwise sometimes this after so many heavy tasks that we become so tired, and this hair oil give us relief from those circumstances and from those consequences. And if you want to buy these hair oils, or you may have been using this hair oil, but if you want to buy this hair oil, if you are not using them, you can search them in the local market. Also you can go through the links that will be provided in the description box, and you can buy from that links by visiting that links or the site. And I am not forcing you to use these hair oils, but I am just hinting you or giving you a hint about the products that if you want to buy, you can first go through this video, that it will be really helpful for you. Then you can purchase them from wherever you want or whatever you want to purchase. Without any further delay, let's get started. So friends, these are the oils that I have been using, and these are the 5 oils: castor oil, olive oil, amla oil, then Navratna hair oil, and coconut oil. And Navratna hair oil I use occasionally only, but others he is in use for at a regular basis. And all these are 100% pure extract, and I really liked it. And in winter this coconut oil gets little bit solid, but if you put it in the sun, it become liquid. So this one is the Khadi Mori Amla hair oil, which I purchased from the Amazon site. Then you can get other side also. Then this is herbal, and as I have purchased it in online, so I got at a much discounted rate, and I am in use with it. And I have bought 2 bottles, and one bottle is open that I am using. I have shown you this seal packed one because that one was outer covering was also oily texture, so that's why as I am using it. And the next one is this olive oil, which is from the Whisker brand. It is also 100% pure extract, and it is of 200 ml quantity, and it is also pure, and it is bit sticky, smell is bearable, and it is a really good. This olive oil from the Whisker brand can also be used for the skin also. And I have heard somewhere that olive oil, these things are very good for the skin, so we can definitely go for both. And the Amla hair oil was also 210 ml product, and this one is 200 ml. And you can get the idea about the quantity and money which I will be giving in the video only, and also you can check in the description box for more details. This is the castor oil. This is also from the Whisker brand. This is 100% pure. This also you can use for both skin and hair, and I have used it on my hair only. After that I am sharing this review also, that it is a bit sticky, and smell is also more or less it is bearable, not very high fragrance, but it is good really. I hope it will be really helpful. I am using this and next is this coconut hair oil. This one I use from the Parachute brand. This one is from the Parachute brand, and this one is 50 gram of product. You can get them in with different size and shape, and I have used earlier this one Shalimar one also. That one also I use, and I prefer coconut oils. I really like the smell of the coconut oil. Next is this Navratna Ayurvedic hair oil. This I use sometimes only, means it gives a cool sensation, that which I like very much. Then after so much of stress and hard work, I really like to have this, but I use this means occasionally. And hope you like this. Hope you liked to know about the hair oils that I am using in my life, means in my day-to-day basis. So if you want, you can also get them in my life, means in my. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and see you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.